Hola mi gente, it's GameBoyZero, and I'm excited to talk about the Analogue Pocket. Not one, but two. I got my pockets. I got my boy. No, he's over here. My boy Chucky. Vamos, let's go. So the last time I talked about Analogue, it seemed like that they were going to make some changes, positive ones with shipping and production and customer service overall, but they're the same old Analogue. For example, a lot of people paid for rush. The shipping amount was crazy, up to $30, $40, maybe even $50. Even though people paid for rush and even though people paid for a faster shipping experience, they still got their Analogue Pockets 1.5 to 2 weeks later. And the shipping was just strange. Like, it was coming from LA to Canada, going back down to the States. I question what shipping methods that they're using. Regardless, I did say that I would be getting an Analogue Pocket in to unbox, and I'm going to do an unboxing today. Again, Analogue is one of those things that it's a terrible company, but they make great products. And I don't know the people that run Analogue. I'm not doing this out of malice. I'm just simply observing. A lot of their email responses, while they sound nice, doesn't feel very genuine. And again, they don't have to be nice. They don't have to do anything for us. In the end, they're just a business trying to make money. And we're the consumer and we vote with our money. When the Analogue Pocket Glow was announced, a lot of people said they're not gonna get it. They weren't gonna even try to get it. But on the day of Analogue Pocket Glow's sale, it was gone within 2 to 3 minutes. So I guess in the end, Analogue knows what they're doing. And to be fair, they did say that they were gonna give refunds back to the people that paid for rush shipping. Have they done that? I don't know. If you're one of the people that got that refund, if you can let me know in the comments, that would be great. So I'm just gonna unbox one of these today. Let's go to my unboxing table. Whoa. All right, so here we have it. You can see my nice little aesthetic on the side here with some Goosebumps, some Nickelodeon, some Reptar, just to complete the aesthetic. Here's the box in its complete form. Slide it over and let's open her up. And there she is. Seeing it for the first time, it's kind of cool. I love the glow aesthetics, so I'm all about it. Here's the charging cable and the case that it came in, and this little package here for the stickers and some of the instructions, little QR code, especially if you want to just know how to load everything up and to get everything updated correctly. Here's the back, and let's peel off these stickers. That's the best part of the whole thing, I think. The experience of just peeling off the stickers, and the best one, of course, the screen. Look at that. Whew, I love it. I don't know about you, but I do. Here's the back. It's a nice matte finish. The plastic feels really good. It's premium, just like the regular Analogue Pocket, except this one glows. So here it is next to its brother, because it needed a companion. It couldn't be alone. We turn it on. We're going to be greeted with the Welcome to Pocket sign here. And of course, just to update everything, it'll kind of run you through it. But does it glow? That's the question. And yes, it does. It's not a consistent glow. It's kind of a splotchy, spotty glow. It's kind of different. Looks like stars in the night or something. And trying to capture it was not the easiest thing. But again, it just looks really nice next to my Nickelodeon stuff. Kind of gives that slime aesthetic. But yeah, I love the glow. And that's pretty much it. So this is my first real unboxing of an Analogue device, and I had a great time. It was nice, just like unboxing anything brand new. Now the glow portion of it, I love it. I do. I love anything that glows, especially if you saw my last video. I just have to have anything that glows. I'm still trying to get that Starbucks cup, which is now going for $70 on eBay and other third-party selling websites, and I just can't understand that. I hope to find it at Target for the regular price of $30, but yeah, I really do like this. It's not super glowy. It's good enough for me, and it's gonna look really nice on my shelf there. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope that you know, if you want specs and stuff like that, there are other channels that do that. This is just doesn't happen to be that type of channel. It's a wonderful device. So now it's your turn. Did you grab an Analogue Pocket Glow? Do you have an Analogue Pocket? Do you wish you had one? And I'm sorry you do. I always feel bad for the people that wish they had an Analogue Pocket. But let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to get to know you more. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Vamos, let's go.
You just had the absolute nostalgic pleasure of watching GameBoyZero. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell button for notifications on his latest uploads.
Doesn't happen to be that type of channel.